For safety reasons, always disconnect the negative terminal of the battery when working on any electricals. For this vehicle, grab a 10mm socket or spanner. Loosen the nut of the negative terminal of the battery and disconnect it. This HID ballast is just dangling on the negative cable. Everything is loose. I just have to disconnect every socket of the HID system. After disconnecting some electrical sockets, I was able to pull half of the assembly. And another one since there are two HIDs in one headlight. All that is left are the HID bulbs. These are retrofitted and has poor job quality, the reason why they look complicated. The headlight has a dust cover. Just twist it counterclockwise, then pull it. Here I disconnected the aftermarket socket from the OEM socket. Pull and take everything away. Here I remove an HID harness. What's left on this dust cover is the original wires and socket. Next thing to do is to remove this HID bulb. This part of the headlight is the low beam section. Twist the bulb counterclockwise, then gently pull it. Same thing on the high beam section. Now I proceed to the other side and do the same thing as well. Use a 10mm wrench or socket to remove the bolt of this windshield washer tank. This will give more space. Just like earlier, these things are just dangling, secured by zip ties. It is much harder to work here since the area is cramped. Here's what you call octopus wirings. Everything is a mess. Just like on the other side, bulbs can be removed by twisting it counterclockwise, then pull it straight. Here are the bulbs that I'm going to use. These are matched to the standard specs of the headlights. The HB3 Stanley headlight bulb is the high beam, while the HB4 Ostrom headlight bulb is the low beam. In every vehicles, if you're running with a standard wiring headlight system, then there's no choice but to use bulbs that are within the specs only. Otherwise, using a higher ratings of headlight bulbs can cause problems to your wirings. Therefore, upgrading the wiring system is essential when you change to a higher spec headlight bulb, which is mostly done on older cars. Before I proceed to install those bulbs, I have to block the hole on this dust cover. Here I use an electrical tape to block it. Always remember not to touch the glass surface of the bulb. Putting oil or dirt into the bulb causes more heat, which could affect the lifespan of your headlight bulb. Installing is the reversal of the removal. Gently insert, make sure it is fitted. Then twist it to the right or clockwise to lock it. After you secure the bulb, reinsert the electrical socket. Make sure it locks. Gently insert the high beam headlight bulb. Put the dust cover back on. Screw it clockwise to lock it. Next, apply the same procedure on the low beam bulb. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure everything is properly installed and secured. Once done, test it and make sure everything works properly. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching.